we're gonna be using these four colors, the bluish and lighter blue. There's four. I want to do like a ocean eyeshadow tutorial beauties. Just before that, we're gonna be adding some concealer and then we're gonna come back to do that. Because it doesn't show any numbers. This one. So we're gonna start with the darker colors, the one that I showed you guys a second. So I'm gonna use this shader. And just like a mix of the other color, we're gonna use this and we're gonna try to shade it well. Both the colors that I mixed. And I like to do it in circular because it helps me shade it fast. What I'm gonna do is shade it more because it's fluffy, it's more brushed, but it's gonna help you blend more colors.
Invincible.
So that's how I take that excess up. I notice I still have. So I just take a little bit on this side, just a little bit, and I'm gonna do the other side and come back. So beauties, I'm done doing the eyeshadow, and that's it. We're gonna be using this shade as the lightest blue we're gonna add. It's down here, this one. No, it's up. We're gonna use this one. Yes, we're gonna use that one. We're gonna use that one. don't know, I like to work with dark blue. And the same with the dark blue. Because I want them to be together, those two colors. I want it to be working with the two colors also. It creates this bluish with the dark and makes it more beautiful. I like to add a lash so it shows a lot when you go out. Definitely is the best color. So the vitamin C I'm gonna be using for today's video is brightens and tones your face. It hydrates also. It keeps hydrated. And it's this one. It's vitamin C serum. Oh, it looks after I added the vitamin C. Oh, and this is the one that I got in Mexico. It's a Premier. Sheglam purple skin tone. It also brightens a little bit of your face, makes it more beautiful. So I do see a difference. Like it brightens your face a little bit. So we're gonna add foundation. So the foundation, I like 2 shades more darker. So that's how it looks right now. The shade, I like this toner. It's like I also like a tone that's yellow. And I'm gonna add on my neck also because I want it to be the same. Beauties, I'm done doing the foundation. I'm gonna use this one, Loreal. I already opened it because I was doing my shadow. It's Infallible for Weird. And that's weird. Beauties, I like to add, I like to use this sponge because it's perfect. And the same on the other side. So I get an arm like this also. like to add it because it's like a brownish. And we're gonna add it here to also we're gonna something like with a highlighter. Is this one beauty? So we're gonna add it. It's like a highlighter. We're gonna be adding it here. Basically, I want to add in there. Also, there's that I like that my face glows. Basically, I'm in love with highlighters with glitters. Really excited how it's looking. So beauties, we're gonna add this. Basically, I added upper and here a little bit. So we're gonna be using this shade. I just say it's 9. This one I got at Amazon. This one I got at Walmart. It's a Brow Fast Sculpt. And this one, we're gonna add a little bit on the eyebrows. And the same on the other side also. And at least then we're gonna add this flare. It's called flare. It's like a glitter liner. This one I got it on my very cheap price on Amazon. You guys could get it in there. It's totally nice. It has like 8 items, and I loved it. So we're gonna add it like. We're gonna try to add it not on the blue side. We're gonna add it on the. Usually that's me. I like to add a lot of glitter on this side, so I just add like a double to it. I like to add like 2 lines in there. It makes it like a double glitter. And I'm gonna do the same on the other. Hey beauties, I just hope you guys like this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I love you guys. Hope you guys have a nice day, and see you guys in the next video.